make most spicy meatballs with ground turkey. You'll be using galanga. These are cilantro roots, lemongrass, Thai chili, capra lime leaf, and some garlic. We're gonna mince everything and put this into the ground chicken. If you don't like it spicy, you don't have to put a lot of chili in there, but it is considered HMONG spicy meatballs. You can also use any kind of meat you prefer. You are gonna fine chop these. Okay. And this is lemongrass. Okay, and this such nice. Okay, then it should be good. I'm gonna chop our cilantro roots. Okay, that should be good enough. And then these are the capra lime leaf. I'm gonna actually, thin or a little bit, or you can actually take split the stems out. It should be okay. These should be good. Okay. And these are the galanga. You just need a little bit only. This much should be good enough. After you put all the herbs in here, we're gonna season this with some vegetable seasoning. And then we're gonna put some fish sauce in there, about 2 tablespoons. And then 1 tablespoon of ballet. And then we are going to mix this. And then later on, we will form these into meatballs. Okay, I'm putting this into a Ziploc bag so that's easier for me to squeeze out to make meatballs when I'm deep frying these. So we are gonna deep fry these. Okay, I have this everything in a bag like this, and then I'm gonna go to see if my oil is hot enough to deep fry these. As you can see, I will be frying these in my frying station out in the garage. Okay, I had already squeezed some meatballs in here and it's round, so I'm just waiting until it cooks, or when it starts floating, it should be ready. We're going to continue to let it cook until it's a little bit darker than this, so that it cooks through, because these are chicken, so you need this to be fully cooked. Okay, my meatballs has been completed, and this is the final result. It's a little bit springy like this, and I hope you enjoy making this.